man of India. In January 2016, a team of scientists identified a new species of birds in the Himalayas. They named it as Zoodara Salim Ali, after India's birdman Dr. Salim Ali. When he was a little boy, Salim found a tiny bird in his garden. He showed that bird to his uncle Abbas Tyabji, and he was unable to recognize the bird's name. So they went to meet W.S. Millard at the Bombay Natural History Society. And this W.S. Millard is famous for his studies about birds. He identified the bird as it is a yellow-throated sparrow. After this incident, Salim Ali became interested in birds. He began to maintain a diary about birds. He wrote about the appearance, behavior, and the sound of birds he observed. He started to read books about birds. At the age of 20, Salim Ali became a grade lecturer at the Bombay Natural History Society. After that, he went to Germany to study more about birds. There he learned about bird ringing. Bird ringing is a process of putting a ring in the bird's leg so that we can understand through which places the birds are flying and where is this bird staying and all. After he returned to India, he became interested in the activities of the weaver bird. He observed them and wrote articles about them. Then he learned more about birds in their natural habitat. He began traveling around India to observe birds and study their movements, behavior, and other habits. He took photographs, then collected so many informations about the birds, and he spoke and wrote about the birds in India. He discovered several birds